happy Sunday, the 28th. We just looked and we're going to remember. Of April. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today. Right now I got about 69, 70. We don't know where we're going.
We do.
Yep, we're just. We'll wait for our friends. We text them, but no answer. So, we're enjoying the weather. And tomorrow's supposed to be just as good, if not better. So, subscribe so you don't miss any of our little adventures. The season has just begun. I better not sing. A little view of the grass getting greener and the trees are starting to bud. Pretty nice. We're on PA 536, if you're interested. Check this out. We're going to go down Lost Hill Road. We don't know where we're going. This is Lost Hill Road. Woohoo! This is neat. We're going to squeeze. We're going tight bridge. Well, we're on Crossroads. Headed to Mahoning Dam, and yeah, it turned into dirt. And we just had a deer run in front of us.
Now she gets back to me.
What was that?
I just saw this. I got really sick last night and it's okay. So that's a no.
Okay. Oh, we stopped. Here's the view. I don't know if you heard Rita, but she said our friends got sick last night. So, they're not riding today. Ah, pretty. Okay. Until we get to the dam. Okay, we're at the dam. Going to take this off a little bit, get some better view. We'll unplug it. Yeah.
This is one of the first places that we went to with the dog and we came here.
Yep. I'll go a little bit further. It is low. I don't know if you can see the bank. It's low. On this side, anyways. Now we're recording. The thing locked up. Well, there's the dam. were up there earlier. That's pretty neat. Now we got some fishermen. We got a family that was fishing. It's pretty set up. Pretty set up. Oh God, can't even talk. Set up pretty nicely because they have a playground for the kids. Pretty nice. Oh, we got some people fishing. Here, we'll swing over to this side. I don't know if you can see them.
What's that squeaking?
I had the brakes on. Oh. Yeah, trout fishing. Exploring PA. At its finest. Look at the view. We got a little haze, but otherwise it's nice out. I got 78 degrees or something like that. I think we're on Route 1018. But it is beautiful. We got some turkeys crossing the road. Yeah, turkey, turkey, turkey. Oh boy,
Get them off.
they're gonna love that one. My baby giving a turkey call. You never know what we're gonna see. So it's 2 deer, 2 turkeys. We're on Anderson Creek Road and I just had to stop and oops, get a little what we're seeing up here.
So cool. Is that the stack?
I don't know. I have no idea where we are.
But that's okay, because that's what makes it fun.
Home, sweet home, I remembered. Ah, yes. Well, we went out for like a 2-hour ride.
Time to cut the grass, babe.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get gas. Okay, home, sweet home. I'm glad you came along with us. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. So we'll get out tomorrow and see what happens.